Bite your bottom lip and make this a windy sound. You do it. Bite your bottom lip and make a windy sound. Now it's time for our warm-up. I'll go first and then it's your turn. Say. Your turn. Bite that bottom lip and make it windy. Fee. Fi. Your turn. Fo. Bite your bottom lip and make it windy. Foo. Good job with your F sound. That's a windy sound. You always have to bite your bottom lip. Nice work. Let's play. I have some F words hiding inside my water table. We're gonna practice that windy sound while we play. Remember, we have to bite our bottom lip and make it windy. What's inside? Football. You say it, use your windy sound. Football. I threw the football. What's next? Fan. On a really warm day, it's so nice to use a fan to cool down. Bye, fan. What else do I have inside? Firefly. You say firefly. Use two windy sounds. Firefly. I like to catch fireflies at night. What's next? Fork. Your turn. Say fork with your windy sound. Bite your bottom lip. Good job. I eat with a fork. I have some more toys in my water table. Oh, this is so pretty. Flower. Your turn. Use your windy sound and then put your tongue up. Flower. Good job. Oh, this flower smells so good. What else is inside my water table? Fire truck. You say fire truck. Good job making that windy sound. Oh, look, I actually have two fire trucks. This one is a big fire truck, and this one is a little fire truck. Woo, 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 woo. They're off to go save a fire. What else is in my table? Oh, these ones are swimming around. Ribbit, ribbit. It's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, but wait a minute. I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. They really like the water, so I'm gonna put them back in so that they can keep swimming. Bye, frogs.